Good afternoon, dear students. Today we will be doing solve the problems. So here, as you can see, 146 minus 233 plus 941. Okay, these type of three numbers have been given to you. One is having minus sign, one is having plus sign. So two things you have to keep in mind. Firstly, you have to keep in mind when there is no sign. कोई साइन अगर नहीं दिया हुआ है उस जगह पे होता है प्लस. Okay, जिन नंबर्स के सामने दोज नंबर विच आर नॉट हैविंग एनी साइन, इट मीन्स they are having plus sign in front of them. So as you can see here, here, as you can see 3 4 5 7 1 1 2 3 6 8 7 1 4 6 is not having any sign. It means they are having plus sign. So you have to always consider these numbers as plus sign, with plus sign. Okay, one thing you have to keep in mind this thing, and second thing, you always have to leave the number that is having subtraction sign in front of it. जिसके आगे माइनस का साइन लिखा हुआ है वो आपको अभी छोड़ना है. ओके, उसको यूज़ नहीं करना. पहले दो नंबर्स जो बिना माइनस के साइन है उनको यूज़ करो. सो अगर आप देख सकते हो 146 माइनस 233 947. सो आई विल ऐड दीज टू नंबर फर्स्ट. ओके, एंड आई विल लीव दिस नंबर बिटवीन. सो व्हेन यू आर एडिंग 6 + 1 is 7. Okay, then 4 + 4 is 8, 1 + 9 is 10. Now keep this number here. Okay, 1087 here, 1087 like this, and then you have to use this number that is having subtraction sign in between. You have to write that number here. So 7 minus 3 is 4, 8 minus 3 is 5, 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, 687 minus 1345712. I have given you as homework. Now this one, 687 minus 1345 plus 712. There is nothing, so you will consider it as plus. I have told you to leave the subtraction sign number, so you will add these two number first. So 687 712, 7 plus 2 9, 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 7 13. Then afterwards this number you have to write here. Okay, and then this number, the subtraction number, you have to write it here. Okay, so 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, 3 minus 3 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, like this we will get the 54 answer. So this part and this part is homework for you. If you are having any trouble, you can ask me. Okay, now the second question that we have to consider, as you can see we are using plus and minus sign both. So you will be using addition and subtraction, both operation together in this type of questions. So Mr. Sharma owns an automobiles showroom. He sells 125 motorcycles. So how many motorcycles are there? 125. So how many scooters are there? 231. And how many scooties are there? 117 in a particular month. How many more motorcycles, scooter does he sell as compared to scooties? Now we have to compare that how many motorcycles we have sold as compared to scooties, or how many scooters we have sell as compared to scooties. So I have already told you, when you talk about comparison, okay, when you are talking about comparison, you have to subtract. You have to check which one is more and which one is less. So as you can see here, how many scooters are there? Motorcycles. So as you can actually count motorcycle, scooter, scooty, so that's why I'm using number word. So number of motorcycles sold, that is 125. Number of scooters sold, that is 231, and the number of scooties sold is 117. So firstly you have to find the difference between these two, motorcycle and scooty. So the difference between motorcycle and scooty sale is, you have to subtract the bigger number from smaller number, as motorcycles are more. So motorcycle sale is more, so that's why we will write 125 up and 117 down. Now 15 minus 7, 5 minus 7 is not possible, so we will write 15 above and we will borrow 1 from here. So 15 minus 7 is 8, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 8 motorcycles were sold more than scooties. Okay, then we have to find the difference between scooters and scooties sale. Okay, it is given there that you have to find the difference between motorcycles and scooties, then scooters and scooties. So that's why now 231 scooters are there and 117 scooties are there. Okay, so what you have to keep in mind is that here, that you have to keep in mind 231 minus 117. Now 1 minus 7 is not possible, so we will borrow. 11 minus 7 is 4. Then it will become 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 114 scooters were sold then scooties. Okay. Next question is, in a balloon decoration competition, there is a balloon decoration competition, and how many balloons are there? 268 balloons are there, are blown up. Okay, 268 को blow किया गया है, उसमें हवा भरी गई है. Out of which 415 balloons burst. जब आप उसमें blow कर रहे हो तो उसमें से 415 जो है burst हो गए, 415 जो है फट गए. 1221 more balloons are blown up. Then afterwards 1221, जब इसमें से इतने burst हो गए तो हमने और 1221 blow किए, और ज़्यादा blow किए हैं. How many balloons are there in all now? How many balloons are there in all? अब now total करके बताओ how many balloons are there. But firstly you have to keep in mind that 415 जो है burst भी हुए हैं. Okay, so it's your wish how you will write this question. Arjun has 3121 green marbles, 245 black marbles and 423 blue marbles. How many marbles are there in the box? So half करके question कर सकते हैं. So firstly he has given 3 types of marble and he is asking total number of marbles. How many marbles are there in the box? Okay, so firstly we will write number of green marbles, that is 3121, number of black marbles, that is 245, number of blue marbles, that is 4123. Total number of marbles, we can add these numbers. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 4 7. Okay, like this. So then now the next question is that you have to keep in mind here how many marbles are there in the box. If 575 marbles are taken out of the box, how many marbles will remain in the box? If 575 marbles are taken out of the box, how many marbles will remain in the box? So now number of marble taken out will be 575. Number of marble left in the box we have to find. So total number of marbles minus the number of marble that we have taken out. So 9 minus 5 is 4, 8 minus 7 is 1, 4 minus 5 not possible, we will borrow. 14 minus 5 is 9 and 6 minus 0 is 6. So 6914 marbles are left in the box. I hope that you have understood the concept. Please watch the videos carefully.